how to turn your DMs into a sales machine with this method. Are your DMs a graveyard of missed opportunity? You've got tons of engagement, but the sales just aren't there? You're leaving thousands of dollars on the table because you don't have a real system. And today I'm going to give you the exact method to turn that chaos into a predictable sales machine. I'm laying it all out there, folks, step by step. The core problem is straightforward. You lack a system in place. Your DMs are reactive. You're either too pushy or you're too passive. And when someone is interested, you send them to a very confusing homepage. It's a broken bridge where good leads go to die. The fix is what I call the DM bridge method. It's a simple two-part system, a non-pushy DM script, and a focused landing page. The script prepares them and the page directs them to the next step. So let's break this down. Part one is the script. The goal here is not to sell the DMs, it's just to build enough curiosity to get them to the next step. It has three parts. Step one, the opener. Make it about them, not you. After they follow, say, yes, hi, blank, Jane, thanks for connecting. I saw that your blank profession, seriously, love what you're doing with blank, mention something specific. This proves you're not a robot. Step two is the pivot. Gently turn the friendly chat towards a problem you solve. You know, a lot of their blank profession I talk to struggle with blank problem. Just curious, is that something you've ever dealt with? You're not assuming, you're asking. Step three, the value tease. If they say yes, don't pitch them. No. Tease your solution and ask for permission. That's exactly why we created the method for that. I put together a quick page that shows how it works. Would you be open to me sending it over? Now that they've said yes, you send them the link to part two, the micro commitment landing page. This page needs to be absolutely perfect. First, keep it distraction-free, straightforward. No navigation menu, no other links. There's only one way forward. Your headline should echo the conversation you guys just had. Something like, the simple method for blank solving blank their problem we were chatting about. Below that, include a short video or a few paragraphs of text that relates to their pain and introduces your solution. Then show them how it works in 3 simple steps. Next, you want to add social proof testimonials, case studies, or client logos. What others say about you is more powerful than what you say. And finally, have a one clear call to action. Remember, it's a micro commitment. Don't ask for the sale. Ask for an easy next step, like book a free 15-minute call or watch the full training of the CTA. To help you get started using this today, I've compiled the entire DM script and landing page checklist into a simple free PDF. If you're interested, comment the word script below this video and I'll send it directly to your DMs. It's time to stop leaving money on the table. Utilize the DM bridge method to create a system that authentically converts followers into customers. This is how you win. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And this is Scott. Peace and progress.